So as a regenerative farm, some of the components that we're looking at and focusing on is soil life. We want to make sure that there is a complex and diverse amount of soil life in the soil, from the subsoil up through the topsoil into the mulch layer, and then even above that. And so we're trying to create habitat for as much diverse soil life as possible. And then also one thing that we do is hugelculture, where we bury a lot of carbon to get the fertility up. And essentially what that does is it creates a home for life under the soil. This awakens life in the soil and then allows it to continue to grow for years and years, because as that wood slowly breaks down, it creates more airspace, more nutrients from all the different microbes that eat it, the fungi, the bacteria. All these things are working together to create fertility. So we manage the land for a lot of soil life, a lot of perennial plants involved in the grow space. I really believe that in order to have a regenerative system functioning, you need to have a varied root system, like root system complexity. You can't just have one type of plant in your garden bed and expect that to be functioning the way that nature does at its most peak. You need to have perennials with deeper root systems, and this creates pathways for deeper water infiltration. And the deeper the water can sink into the landscape, the more potential for more life to thrive in that space, therefore the more potential for carbon. So ultimately we're seeking to increase water infiltration and root systems depths so that our recycling, our natural recycling system, the one that nature provides, is continually capable of trapping that nutrients and bringing it back to the surface, so we never have to keep bringing stuff.